Hello, design furniture family. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom furniture. From vanities to storage solutions, we'll help you choose the perfect pieces to create a functional and stylish bathroom. Let's get started. Vanities. First up, vanities. A vanity is the centerpiece of any bathroom. It combines a sink with storage and comes in various styles and sizes. Choose a vanity that fits your space and meets your storage needs. Storage cabinets. Next, storage cabinets. These are crucial for keeping your bathroom tidy. Tall cabinets, wall-mounted units, and under-sink storage can all provide ample space for your toiletries and linens. Shelving. Shelving is another excellent storage solution. Floating shelves, ladder shelves, and built-in niches can add both storage and style to your bathroom. Seating. Seating in a bathroom can add a touch of luxury. Consider adding a stool, bench, or even a small chair if space allows. This provides a convenient spot for dressing or relaxing. Accessory furniture. Don't forget accessory furniture like towel racks, hampers. These pieces can enhance functionality and contribute to the overall decor. Tips for choosing bathroom furniture. Measure your space, ensure all pieces fit comfortably without overcrowding. Consider your style, match the furniture to your overall bathroom theme. Prioritize storage, choose pieces that provide enough storage for your needs. Think about materials, select materials that are durable and moisture resistant. Plan your layout, arrange furniture for easy access and optimal use of space. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to bathroom furniture. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a beautiful and functional bathroom. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips from Design Furniture. Until next time, happy decorating.